Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C17 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Now let's localize the backup and reset option, which is at the very bottom of this list, and in this Google backup section tap on backup accounts. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And here in this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And a quick disclaimer, if you do have your Google account currently added to the device, you will not have to go through this operation of adding it again. Simply you will be able to pick it from the list. So let's tap on next after entering the email. And here we have to enter the password. So let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so let's tap on it, and here we've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And right here we've got more information about the backup, so you're able to use 15 gigabytes of the Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will backup the data automatically, store it securely, and you can manage it basically whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on, and as you can see, we just successfully finished our operation of adding the backup account. It is right here, and from now on the data will be stored there. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.